What a dynamic entrance, Luke, and what a fantastic car. But you got to explain to us, what are we looking at exactly?
Well, Chris, I think it's time now to talk about elevating Magma to the coachwork potential in tailoring masterpieces for very demanding customers.
The stage is yours. I'll be back afterwards, all right? Go for it.
By the way, side note, if you know we talked about the brand Genesis as the brand with the two lines, you can see it on all cars. If you ever wonder where this inspiration comes from, I think you have the clear proof here. But now, let's get back to business. The X Grand Coupe concept and the G90 Wingback concept are two examples of what we can craft. You dream it, we build it. Ladies and gentlemen, you have the privilege tonight to witness the world premiere of the G90 Wingback concept, giving you all the first glimpse into the future of Magma and its spectrum of typologies. By the way, the internal code name wears the same nickname that I have, is Magma, Dr. Evil Magma. Dr. Jekyll and Mr. Hyde. Sports functionality paired with an aerodynamic and elegant body. The youngest architecture derived from our G90 flagship. Magma is the materialization of the iron fist in a velvet glove, demonstrating that Magma is the culmination of the Genesis lineup, the best of the best. The X Grand Coupe concept and the G90 Wingback concept add elements of sophistication, luxury, and sportiness to the proven formula as only Genesis can. Now, let's be clear. You have seen quite a lot of Magma orange cars so far. But those two masterpieces prove that Magma is much more than a color. It offers the duality and contrast between performance and luxury. In other words, Genesis amplified, or Genesis excellence. At its core, Magma carries a Korean identity, one defined by care, respect, and balance. We understand hospitality as a way of life. That is why Magma does not shout, it invites. It is power delivered with precision and control. And tonight, the program wakes up in full force. We